Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy this presentation. Tonight's recipe comes from Kenya. Tonight I'll be preparing Kuku Paka. Morning mise en place. Just after prep. Evening mise en place in order of appearance. Here I'm melting some ghee in the brazier. I add the onions and saute. I add the ginger and the garlic and saute for about 30 seconds. Then I add the peppers and saute some more. Then I add all the spices. Then I add the tomatoes and saute. Then I add the chicken and cook for a few minutes. Here I add the coconut milk. Here's everything all mixed together, ready for a simmer. And the dish will simmer for about 25 minutes. The rice is ready. And here it is after a 25-minute simmer. Yummy. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for coming here to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the presentation. Have fun cooking.